Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Know How. Today's topic, I will be showing you guys how to transfer BNB coin from crypto.com directly to Metamask. What we're trying to do here, we're trying to mitigate the amount of transfer that we have to do. A lot of other YouTubers, what I noticed they doing, they buy the BNB in crypto.com, transfer it to Binance Wallet, from Binance Wallet to Binance Smart Chain, from Binance Smart Chain, then finally to MetaMask. I'm here to shorten the steps for you guys. Bear with me, and we're about to start. 3, 2, 1, go. Go ahead, open the app, and from once you open the app, I had already purchased the BNB. So go to account, select Binance Coin, select transfer, withdraw, external wallet, add wallet address, select BSC. Remember that, that's very important. And now I'm gonna scan the QR code for my computer, straight from the MetaMask. This is the end result after you scan the QR code and give the wallet a name. Now you gotta enter the amount that you're trying to transfer. Now make sure you validate that everything is correct. Enter your passcode. Enter your verification code. Bingo. This is it, guys. Just like I promised. Short and sweet. All right, guys. Take care. Bye.